Hello guys, and today I am going to do a paper bag. Okay, let's start doing it. But first I will tell you what we needed, the ingredients. It was the gum, paper, A4 sheet paper, color paper, any paper. Some stickers for putting here on this bag, and scissors. But you don't need to put only start sticker on it. Any sticker you can put it. And now let's start doing it. And first take it like one rectangle shape and fold it into half like this. The correct shape. And then fold it, turn it back side and fold it like this. You can see this paper, no? That only you have to not fold that. This is the emergency line like. And now cut. And then I have cut it off. And take that paper and you can keep if you need it. Don't put on the dustbin. And open it. You got your curved square, your size of curved square. And you have to fold. If here the lion is here, means you can fold it to this like this. Okay, and open it. You got a cross mark, and then fold it into like this shape, into small and like a small paper, into small triangle, not a triangle, a rectangle, small rectangle. Fold it correctly. That's how we got it. And now open it. Fold it into this half. If guys, you know Frozen movie, that the Elsa will put to a star. Like that star we have to fold. You got it now. And you can see this line at the middle. You have to fold at the middle of the line till the middle of the line. Also at here. And then open it. Like a door, window. Door, no, yes, door. And then here at this, you have some line, no? At that line also you have fold. And here also. And now open it. At the corner you have some line, no? At the corner of the square you have some box. Corner of the square. You can cut it out. You can see a line here. At that line only you can cut. And now I have cut it at the four sides. And you can see at the middle some box you have, no? One box. Till that box you got like this. At the inside you can see, no, like this. And then we need now gum. Take the gum and put at the this of the cutting off. Here we will cut, no, that's it. Now take this corner and this corner where we put the gum and stick it. Okay. And you have stick a note here. Then you will got it. Put at here some gum too. Like this. And then just close it. You can close because we have folded already. And you have to stick it. And at this corner also put on the gum. Fully, not a bit. Okay. You can see, no? And here also. Folded it. You got a beautiful one-sided closing, no? Now you can close it this side too. Let's start closing. And now look, I have folded at the two sides. And you can see at the back side a square, no? At that side you can see some corners. At that corner also you have to fold it. To be like an beautiful, like this. That I have folded here and here and here. You can also fold it. At this too, at this corner too. And this corner. And this corner. You got it now? Now you can keep it to dry a bit because we have applied more gums. Many gums. Now take that left paper we have cut in, no? That paper, fold it into half a bit. Okay, and cut on. And now look, I have cut it into two pieces. This paper we don't need. No, in case you need means it's okay, you can have it. And I have cut it into a long line. Take the gum and take the box. Your gum will have been dried a minute, no? It even not dried means it's okay. You can put in the sun or in the home itself and put on the gum. Stick out the corners. Look, it is so beautiful bag. If you want decoration means you can put the decoration. Let's put on the big stars. And look, I have removed the star. And you can stick it all over the line. So I have put in. And your bag is ready. You can put all your stuffs and go. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and press the bell button and also comment. Bye bye.